Hey guys, this is AJAY Ajay, the director and founder of CEA, means Cosmos English Academy. Cosmos English Academy deals with the Latur English pattern. And guys, you know well, today is the Sunday. On the occasion of Sunday, we are conducting the activity, and the activity name is the seminar activity, group discussion activity. Behind the motto conducting such activity is we have to change the body language of students. We have to take the confidence of the students. And I have given one topic to all the students, and the topic name is women empowerment. So from last 1 hour, from last 60, 50, 40 minutes, students have been preparing on that same topic, women empowerment. They have prepared little bit points on that topic. Just they have to come front side on the dais, on the stage, and they have to elaborate the point, how they will elaborate this point. Just we have to check. And guys, look, if there is a will, there is a way. You have to will, and your desire is like that. You want to achieve the good command on English language with the help of LSRW method: listening, speaking, writing, reading. And this batch deal with students. The batch time is morning 8 to 9. We are running that batch till 9:30, means 30 past 9 o'clock. Because we want to check the body language, confidence, and how they pronounce the utterances, each and everything. That's why we are conducting this activity in front of camera. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? It's high or low? Not a single student is replying properly. Why? Why? Yeah, tell. What happened with you? Who want to join the stage at first? Who want to join the stage? Who want to elaborate? Yeah. Who want to become the winner? Who want to become the leader? Who want to become the champion? Is anyone? Is anyone want to join the stage? Yeah, guys, I know that you have the confidence because you are the student of Ajay Mastipare, sir. You will do each and everything. All power is within you. You can speak here. Come and speak. Yeah, first. Okay, on the occasion of Sunday, I would like to tell one quote in front of me. That quote deals with the Hindi. Okay, in Hindi. तजुर्बे ने एक बात सिखा दी है. क्या? तजुर्बे ने एक बात सिखा दी है, एक नया दर्द ही पुराने दर्द की दवा है. Have you got the meaning of that phrase? What is meant by tajurba? What is meant by dawa? And what is meant by dard? Yeah. Tajurba means what? Yeah, sir. What is meant by tajurba? Experience. तजुर्बे ने एक बात सिखा दी है. कौन सी बात सिखा दी है? एक नया दर्द ही पुराने दर्द की दवा है. Means what? एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आप जो भी आपके लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस आएंगे उससे सीख के आप आगे जाओगे. I accept that thing. You have to come here and you have to elaborate the point. So this is your tajurba because you are learning from your experience. What you are gaining, whatever you will get, just in the form of experience, and you have to learn from the experience. That's why we are conducting such activities. And the main motto is because you are suffering by the little bit nervousness, little bit hesitation, but we have to work on that, and one day you will be the confident. Yeah, you should become the confident speaker. So you have to come here, you have to take the experience of that place, because every student is sitting their position, their seat. So you have to change your position, you have to take the chance, you have to come here and you have to speak. So first come here, Jia Taki.
Today I am going to tell you about women empowerment. In our daily life society, women are more active than men. There are many ways in which women are proceeding and they have their success in their life. Without women there is nothing. Women are active in politics. They are doctors, they are engineers and everything. The first woman and the first teacher who in India, that is Savitribai Phule, she started the. She's the first woman who started study from that generation. The women are succeeding in their life. Thank you.
We get for as Sagar told Sagar.
So why women empowerment is important, and when it it starts to empower the woman. Okay, so first, women get his rights equal to the men when 1950. Okay, when our India get independence, and women, and that time women get also the Hindu also many rights like Hindu code bill. In that Hindu code bill, she get she got the equal right in his husband's income, and equal right, and also in his father's income. Okay, and in social, woman has devoted herself for the social, and without a woman there is nothing. And
I am here to present women empowerment speech. Indian culture gives women the most respect. Many of our gods are female. They have been worshipped as a deity by many faithful people. The goddess of wealth is Lakshmi, the goddess of power and strength is Durga, the goddess of wisdom is Saraswati. Women are the epitome of wealth and power. The women play an important role in society, and the whole family depend on women for its daily activities. They play a role of mother, wife, homemaker, cook, teacher, nurse, all at the same activities for while catering to everybody's needs. The women who are in a job have to also the job responsibilities, and while managing the home and family, the woman life is very hard, but she gets little and or no appreciation. There are a lot of women who are extremely talented and multitasker, but have no recognition in society. Thank you.
Next, Jagdish. Come. Yeah, close that video. You can shoot another one.
Good morning, friends.
Jagdish, close that mic.
Good morning, friends. I am going to tell about women empowerment. Women empowerment is the empowering the women to take their decision about for their personal development as well as social development. Women empowerment are made up of two words: women and empowerment. Empowerment means authority or power to someone. First thing needed for decision making is education, literacy, and training to help them improve their position. Women empowerment is the process that create power in women to live in happy and respected life in society. Empowered women, they were able to access opportunities in various fields such as education, profession, lifestyle, etc. without any restriction and limitation. In general, women empowerment is a process to enhance the economic, education, social, political, and mental health of women. Women empowerment is the main essential factor that helps to the growth of the country. Women are powerful. Women are backbone of her family. She handling multitask works like cooking, caring of children, and parents, etc. They are very efficient doing multitask at a time. We know that women's mother is the first teacher of a child. If a woman have no education, how can teach properly their child? So educated women does not depend on family for anything. They were responsible for earning for living. Educated women will be aware of her rights, and she know that how to fight against social and domestic violence, the systems, child marriage, poverty, and low wages, etc. The government has come with many schemes like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana, Mahila Shakti Kendra, welcoming women hostel to empower women. Savitribai Phule was the first female teacher in India. They opened a school for girls. She opened a school for girls with her husband Jyotirao Phule. She started school in Bidewada in the Pune city. They faced harassment from others because of this, but they can never give. It is an example of women empowerment. So, in the end, I am just says that makes a woman empowered, then she can face any power.
You're very excellent, outstanding. Then next.